Alright, ma'am. May I know where you book your reservation?
Yung pang reservation.
Can I have your valid ID, ma'am? Excuse me for a while, ma'am. I already verified your reservation, ma'am. You booked through phone reservation and you booked at the room with a view of the beach with a room rate of 6,545 per night. Is that correct, ma'am? Aside from that, ma'am, we will be checking in today, May 20, 2024. And according to the system, we will be checking out on May 22, 2024. You also guaranteed your reservation using Visa credit card are already placed, correct, ma'am?
Yes, you are alright.
Already, ma'am, as part of our legal policy, kindly fill out this reservation, form with your personal details and signature of the printing date at the lower right side of the registration form. Thank you, ma'am. Let me just check it. As part of our hotel policy, we would like to ask you to pay for an incident deposit amounting to 1,000 pesos. This will be returned upon your checkout, and this incidental deposit will be used if there are any charges incurred by the guest during your stay in our hotel.
Okay.
I received an exact of 1,000. Kindly wait for your receipt. Here is the receipt, ma'am. Please input your signature here. Before we check into your room, let me discuss to you our hotel policy, ma'am. So our standard check-in time is 2 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon, and our standard check-out would be 12 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon. Kindly inform us right away if there will be a time extension, because that will cost 300 pesos per hour. Aside from that, ma'am, incidental deposit is collected in case the guest incurred any extra charges during your stay. So for the bedroom and bathroom linens, ma'am, there are corresponding charges in case of any damages done by the guest. So for the bedroom and bathroom linens, ma'am, there are corresponding charges in case of any damages done by the guest. For the bed linen, staying cost 500 pesos. For the duvet, staying cost 1,000 pesos. And for the bathroom towel, staying cost 300 pesos. Our breakfast is served at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning at the Deli Cafe beside the lobby. There is also a mini bar available in the room that has snacks and beverages with corresponding charges. Our hotel also provides transportation services with corresponding charges. Kindly dial 1 for concierge, dial 2 for front office, dial 3 for bar and restaurant, and dial number 4 for housekeeping. So, if you have any concern or inquiries, please don't hesitate to call us. Here is your room key card, ma'am. Your room is located in the right wing, room 28 at the second floor of our hotel. And also here is your breakfast people, ma'am. And Wi-Fi Wi-Fi password pupil. Here is our driver named Angelo. He will assist you towards your room, ma'am. So, do you have any questions? Alright, ma'am. I hope you enjoy your stay at our hotel. And have a nice day, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mark Angelo Simao. I will be your bell attendant for today. May I know how many luggage do you have, ma'am?
Okay, good afternoon. Just this one.
May I assist you, ma'am? May I have your room key, ma'am? This way to your room, ma'am. How was your stay, ma'am?
It's okay.
How do you find Ilocos, ma'am?
It's fun.
Here is your room, ma'am. After you, ma'am. Where should I put your bag, ma'am?
In the table.
So, here is your bathroom, ma'am. Thanks. Here is your bed, ma'am. And your table. In here, ma'am, here's your locker where you'll find your cabinets and your safety boxes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Do you need anything else, ma'am?
No, no.
If you need anything else, ma'am, please don't hesitate to call the front desk, ma'am. Please enjoy your stay.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, ma'am. How may I help you?
I would like to check out.
Alright, ma'am. May I have your key, please? Okay, ma'am. You stayed at room 208 at the Lux room. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Please wait for a while, ma'am. Let me just call our housekeeper so they can check your room. You can wait at our lobby area. Good day, this is Abigail Roslan from the front office. Kindly check the room 208 for checkout, please. Thank you. Here is your desk folio where all your transactions are listed. Can I see the copy of your incidental deposit, ma'am? Let me check it for a while, ma'am. Here is your 1,000 pesos incidental deposit, ma'am. Kindly write your signature at the lower side of the form. Everything is settled, ma'am. Kindly present this departure slip before you leave our hotel. Thank you so much, ma'am, for checking in with us at MMS Hotel. Hope to see you again next time. Have a safe travel, ma'am.